My name is Brian Cook. I'm a Senior Product Manager here at Conductix-Wampfler. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your pin code options on your Airmark radio. With the Airmark radio, you have two options to use a pin code. First, you can use a pin code to prevent anyone from operating the crane. This ensures that only qualified operators can operate the crane. The second mode we have is to disable the settings. This allows any of your operators to operate the crane, but no one can change the settings on the Airmark radio without the pin code. It is important to note that when you have a pin code set up for the settings, this disables the operator from pairing a transmitter without the pin code. To access the pin code settings, first ensure the E-stop switch is pulled out, then turn the on-off switch to the on position and verify the A through D LEDs flash. Then press and hold F6 and F1 and turn the on-off switch to the start position and release. If LED A turns on, this means the transmitter is waiting for a pairing configuration code. LED C indicates if the pin startup is set for startup or for settings. When LED C is off, this indicates that the pin code only applies to the settings. Press AUX 2 to turn LED C on. This would indicate that the pin code would be set up for any operation. Once you have the correct mode selected, it is time to enter your pin code. You create the pin code by pressing any combination of the 6 function buttons. The pin code must be between 2 to 6 buttons. In this example, I will create a 3-pin code, F1, F4, and F5. To confirm this, turn the on-off switch to the start position and release. LED B will turn on, indicating that you must repeat the code again to confirm. Press F1, F4, and F5, and turn the on-off switch to the start position and release. The receiver lamp will turn on and then off, and the battery and radio LED will flash. You may now turn off the transmitter. To start the system with pin code protection, ensure the E-stop switch is pulled out. Turn the on-off switch to the on position. You will notice the A through D LEDs flashing, indicating the system is waiting for a pin code. In this case, we would press F1, F4, F5, turn the on-off switch to the start position to send the code, then the operator can turn to start. This is how you would start up an Airmark radio with a pin code option. When done operating the crane, turn off the transmitter. If you choose to disable a pin code after having it set up, you need to repeat the process without entering a pin code. First, ensure the E-stop switch is pulled out. Then turn the on-off switch to the on position and verify the A through LEDs are flashing. Then press F1, F4, F5, and turn the on-off switch to the start position and release. This unlocks the transmitter so that we can now access the settings. Then press and hold F6 and F1 and turn the on-off switch to the start position and release. To disable, enter no code. In this example, LED A is on, indicating that the transmitter is waiting for the first pin code setup. To disable this, we simply turn the on-off switch to the start position without entering a code. The LED B indicator will turn on, indicating it's waiting for the second code. Again, with no code, we simply turn the on-off switch to the start position and release. The receiver lamp will turn on and then off, and the battery and radio LED will flash. You may now turn off the transmitter. Now when you go to start the overhead crane, first ensure the E-stop switch is pulled out, then turn the on-off switch to the on position and verify the A through D LEDs flash, and then turn the on-off switch to the start position. The pin code option has been removed and is started as normal. When done operating, turn off the transmitter. For additional how-to videos, please check out our Airmark radio playlist.